Hi, I'm Daniel here and I'm from Custom Gifts. I'll be here to show you 9 corporate gifts that you need to give to your family and friends to show your support during this pandemic. They'll be broken up into 3 categories: the economical range, the mid-range, and of course the high range. Alright, the first product for the economical range will be what we call the mask kit box. These are essentials that you need to gift because when you leave your house or when you go to office, you need items such as your mask and the mask essentials, and of course a sanitizer spray pen. The next item is what we call a foldable phone card stand, and of course at the back is a calendar. Now this allows you to fold it into a mailer and you can give it or mail it to your family and friends. The best part of it is the back is a calendar, the front is a phone stand that you can use to work smartly. The last economical range gift would be what we call a phone card cable stand. You can charge your phones with this cable in form of a card. You can even use it as a card reader, and the best part, it's a phone stand that you can use it on the go. The next 3 mid-tier corporate gifts that you will need, you know what? The first is the world's smallest wireless speaker. This allows you to pair Bluetooth with your phone, which means you can get to make phone calls, or you can pair with a laptop. You can go Zoom. On top of it, once you pair Bluetooth with your phone, you can enjoy your favorite music in case you want to de-stress and enjoy to relax. The next mid-tier corporate gift is what we call a thermal flask. This thermal flask allows you to keep your hot drinks to 3 to 4 hours, which means you can put your hot coffee or you can go put your cold drink, especially if you need a cold green tea after work. The next mid-tier corporate gift is what we call the foldable bag. These self-fold bags are one of the lightest and water-resistant bags because it folds into a pouch by itself. And of course, you can use it in the term of a duffel bag, tote bag, or otherwise a backpack, because just in case if you're going to go out, you can go out with a small bag, and when you come back, it's all your shopping bags. And finally, the last 3 premium gifts would be: the first is what we call a laptop stand bag. This laptop bag allows you to put your laptop into a 360 workstation. The right side is a mouse pad and the center is a laptop stand, which means you can work from home or anywhere, anytime you want. The next premium gift is what we call the Contactless Sanitizer. It's the first of its kind. When you want to sterilize your hand, you don't even need to touch it. Simply put your hand on top and you can sterilize your hand without touching the device. It's rechargeable. You can put it at home when you come back and sterilize, or you can put it in the office. The next and the last final premium gift is what I call the massager gun, which is my personal favorite. It's rechargeable. It comes with 6 different speeds and 4 different massager heads. Simply put it at the back to release your soreness, your tightness, and your back aches as well. So that's all for the 9 premium gifts that you can show your love and support for your family and friends. That's 3 minutes with 9 corporate gifts.